Hey guys, it's Ariel once again. Thank you so much for tuning in. Here today I'm going to show you how to do a pink and purple smoky eye, kind of like a halo. I kind of freestyled it a little bit towards the end, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching and subscribe to this channel and like if you want more videos just like this. Alright, so now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love this stuff. I can't live without it. You should definitely try it. It's really cheap and affordable. Aw, hey baby, love you. Shout out to my boo. So now I'm just buffing out that concealer with a fluffy brush. And then I'm taking a light brown shade and working that into my crease and a little bit above my crease in something what we like to call a windshield wiper motion. And what that is that you move your brush backwards and forwards in a windshield wiper motion so that you can blend out the color. This is going to be key. Alrighty, next you want to take a baby pink and you want to pop that into your crease and kind of buff that out as well to prepare for the hot pink color that we're going to do next. And I'm not entirely sure how girls do one eye at a time, but I do both at a time to compare and see what I'm doing, see if the intensity is the same, and if it's not, I just go back in and I correct it. Alrighty, so now the hot pink, we're going to take that and put that a little bit more precisely into the crease with a smaller brush. Your brushes are what's going to help you with the placement of your color. And you just want to build the color to the intensity that you want. So say it's not bright enough for you, basically you just add a little bit of eyeshadow at first and then keep building it up until it's right for you. And then you take that baby pink once more on that same baby pink brush and you just buff out any harsh lines that you may have created while placing the hot pink. And also do this in a windshield wiper motion like I showed earlier. And then that's going to be the key to blending different colors together. Then you want to just go back and forth between the hot pink and the light pink and buffing them out and making sure that everything is blended and the colors are coming out the way you want them to. So then I take these two shades and I try to create a depth in my crease. And basically that just defines my crease more and shows you exactly where it is on my face. And then if the hot pink gets washed out by the dark purple, you just go back in with the hot pink and then blend that out with the baby pink. See? It's pretty easy, I think. Alright, so now I'm going to take some concealer, the same concealer I used earlier, and I'm going to create like a space for my halo. Now at first I thought I was going to do a cut crease halo, but then I kind of changed my mind. Like kind of midway through I was like, screw the cut crease, I'm just going to do a regular, like a mini halo. So now I take my hot pink and I put that in the center of my lid, working it into that purple. And then I take a makeup wipe to wipe down all of the fallout. And I take some mascara, run it through my lashes really quick. And then I took the hot pink and I put it down in the center of my waterline at the bottom. Then I took the same purple and blue shade to do the outsides of my waterline. And then I realized that hot pink was getting washed out. So what I did was I took some concealer and I put that in the center of my waterline, like below my lash line. And then I buffed that out just a little bit, kind of like a primer a little bit. And then I took the hot pink and I went back over it. And it kind of helped with defining where that hot pink goes. And as I was trying to put mascara on my lower lash line,
it was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
It's all good though. but I just take my finger, I took the little speck out of my eye, and then I realized that there's a little dot right where I just put that hot pink. It made me so upset. I tried to put hot pink on top of it, didn't work. So I take concealer once more, put a little dab down there, and then I take my fluffy brush and I pat that out, and then I put hot pink on top of that. It came out perfect. So now I'm taking this baby pink glitter and I'm putting it in my inner corner. It looks kind of purple here thanks to my lighting. Now I take my lashes and I pop those on. And now onto my face, where I put on my foundation and my concealer, and I use my beauty blender to help me buff out the lower lash line more. And here I kind of screwed up and I went a little too far in. But cool thing is, concealer is kind of like an eraser, so you can really just go back over it with the same purpley blue shade and fix it. It's really a very easy fix. And then I take this really bright neon pink and I put that all over my lips. And I'm definitely going to try to link all the products that I used in this tutorial down below. And that just about wraps it up. And if you don't like the hot pink, you can always opt for a nude pink or a baby pink like shown here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the flip side.